everyone can see my screen also. So very good afternoon all. First of all, I welcome you for the demo section on the data analysis as well as the data science. So definitely in this demo section, I will explain you like why this data analysis is becoming very famous and important, as well as why this data science with generative AI is becoming very famous. I will explain you each and every detail, and also I will clarify all your doubts if you have anything related to the data analysis course and related to the data science course. So let me break down this demo first of all. So this demo, I will first introduce myself, then I will explain you what is data analysis, and I will explain you what is data science, and I will explain you the difference between them. Most of the people will in confusion, like what is the difference between analysis and science? That also I will explain you. And definitely I will explain you completely the placement policy of the Vihara Tech, and I will take the doubt section. Like if you have any doubt sections, any doubts, I will be taking all your doubts and I will be explaining. Before going to that, let me introduce the company Vihara Tech. So Vihara Tech basically, it is an education platform where you used to train different courses, like where you used to train data analysis, we used to train Python, and we used to train data science with the Gen AI, and we used to train Java. So many things, many programming languages as well as Tableau, Power BI. So many software tools we are training in our institute. And also let's coming to the success ratio. We have 85% of the success ratio for every batch. And I will be showing you all at the end of the demo section in our placement policy. Coming back here, guys, let me introduce myself. So my name Kamal, and I am working as an artificial intelligence engineer. So you can just go to the internet and you can just type my name. If you just type my name, you will be getting all my details. You will be getting all my details, and you can go through the articles. You can go through the articles which I have written for multiple IT companies. So like for Bluetick is one of the company where I worked, and I used to write the articles on the data analysis as well as data science. Like if you want to learn and if you want to get a good knowledge, definitely you can study each and everything in a very detailed manner. I have explained in my articles. And not only that, not only writing the articles, if you see here, I used to do the work with the students with the GitHub. So GitHub is nothing but where we used to showcase our projects. So I used to develop the projects with the students end to end, and also I used to explain to the students, and also they are going to keep the projects end to end projects in their resume, so that it will help for them to get placed in any company whatever they are expecting. And also I will be showing you my LinkedIn profile. You can go through my LinkedIn profile also. You will be getting all my details in my LinkedIn profile. So you can see here, so I'm the managing director of the Vihara Tech, and also I'm CEO of Smart Tech and Skill Union. So where I'm having 10 years experience, like I'm completely having 10 years experience, 10 plus years experience in the field of artificial intelligence and data science and data analysis. So from last 10 years, completely I am working on advanced level AI only. So I used to work with the Jetson Nano devices developed by the NVIDIA company, TensorRT use cases. So many things, you can just go through them, or the use cases which I am working currently. And also if you're really interested in the field of data, you can study the blogs. So many blogs I have written on the data related things. You will get a great knowledge. You will be getting a great knowledge. And also you can go through the companies which I worked. So I work with EY as well as, and I work with as a freelancer, of course, just IoT. I work with Vajra Social Tech. I worked with Microsoft in my initial days. I worked as a .NET C/ developer on the Microsoft, and then followed by Social Tech, Vajra. So many companies. So many companies I have been working from the last 10 plus years. And mainly you can go through the recommendations. Not only Indian students, guys. I used to train with the Canada students, USA students, UK students, their universities. Like from here, I used to train the students who are working in any universities and getting good appraisal from them also. So this is completely about my profile because I'm going to be your trainer from the next batch. So that's why I'm explaining you all these details. So coming back here, guys, coming back to the demo section. So first I will explain you all. First, I will explain you data analysis. And then after I will explain you data science with Gen AI. Data science with Gen AI. And then I will explain you the difference between them. And then definitely I will explain you the difference between the data analysis and data science with Gen AI. Okay. So guys, so let's start. First of all, students, any idea? Anyone of you? Anyone of you? Any idea like what is the exact meaning of data analysis or like what the data analyst will do in an IT company? If you get placed as a data analyst in any IT company, what the data analyst will do? Anyone? Any idea? Students? If you have idea, you can share with me definitely. Any idea? Okay. So I will explain you here. Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
So basically, according to my understanding, data analysis is nothing but taking a very big data. Maybe it can be a data in a Excel kind of
Oh,
thing or Tableau kind of thing, and visualizing it in a very good and easy to understand way. Maybe in a graphical way, pie chart way, something like that, where we can show the results immediately. See, for example, if any big data, like thousands of Excel pages are given to any person, it takes for him like days, at least 10-15 days to analyze all the data. But the same thing when we show it in a graphical way, he can able to visualize it in a very few seconds. Within few
yes.
minutes or hours, he can able to get the data.
Yes, we can explain the data very clearly. So
Yeah.
very good. Perfect. So I will explain you like with a real world example since as a real time working employee. So what I am going to do here is I will tell you one best example. I will give you one real world use case. Let me open Google Map in front of you. Let me open the Google Map. So can anyone tell me what is the most famous supermarket in India? Students, what is the most famous supermarket in India?
DMart.
DMart, yes. One of the best one is DMart. Okay. So let's take the DMart. I'm going to take the DMart. Imagine DMart is having a group of branches like DMart is having a branch in Telangana, for example. Okay, branch in Telangana. He is having the branch in Andhra Pradesh, suppose. And he is also having the branch in Karnataka. And also he is having the branch in Goa. So total, imagine four branches are there. Total four branches. So branch one is from Telangana. Branch two is from Andhra Pradesh. Branch three is from Karnataka. And branch four is from Goa. Branch four is from Goa. So the DMart people is having total four branches, and this DMart people want to know. This DMart people want to know from the year 2024 March to 2025 March. In this 1 year, what is the status of all the four branches? The DMart people want to know. In this 1 year, 2024 March to 2025 March, in 1 year, from all these four branches, they want to get a clear idea, clear understanding about all the four branches. So what the DMart people will do, DMart people will give the project, DMart people will give the project to the data analyst. They will give the project to the data analyst. Uh, Giving the project means what? Not only giving the project, they need to give the data. They need to give the data, which means the DMart people will give all the four branches 1 year customers data. The DMart company will give to the data analyst. Will give to the data analyst. So what the data analyst will do? Data analyst using all his knowledge. Data analyst using all his knowledge, he will develop a report. He will develop a report and he will submit the report back to the client. He will submit the report back to the client. So the question is, sir, what is there in the report? Sir, what is there in the report? In the report, the data analyst clearly mentioned that Telangana sales are very good and the profits are also very good. Andhra Pradesh sales are very good and the profits are also very good. Karnataka sale is very good and the profit is also very good. Goa sale is very bad and the profits are also very, very low. Very, very low. So this is the information given by the data analyst towards the DMart company. Towards the DMart company. Immediately, what the DMart people will do? They will completely focus on the Goa branch. They will not focus on Telangana, not focus on Andhra Pradesh. They will not focus on the Karnataka. They will completely focus on the Goa branch. On the Goa branch. Why? Because the sales and profits are very, very low. In that case, what the DMart people will do, they will keep 50-50 offer, like 50 percentage offer if you buy any product. They will also keep something like buy one get three free, and they will tell you to use HDFC or ICICI cards to get the cashback. All these techniques they will implement on the Goa branch to increase the business values. To increase the business values. You take startup company, mid-level company, fan-based company, any company you take, doesn't matter. The role of the data analyst is same. So now tell me, who is the data analyst? Who takes the data from the organization, understand the data, and develop the report. Based on the report, the organization will do the changes so that they can increase the business values. Okay, this is what the data analyst will do. I hope all are Telugu only. I will also explain in Telugu. Data analyst అంటే క్లయింట్ దగ్గర డేటా తీసుకొని అర్థం చేసుకొని వాళ్ళకంటూ ఒక రిపోర్ట్ ఇవ్వడం. ఆ రిపోర్ట్లో ఉన్న చేంజెస్ చేస్తే డిమార్ట్ వాళ్ళకి మంచి మంచి ప్రాఫిట్స్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ అనేవి 99% ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. సో దట్ ఈస్ వై ద డేటా అనలిస్ట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఫేమస్. I hope all understood. Guys, got a good idea? Like what the data analyst will do in an IT company? What he will do exactly in an IT company? Completely he works with the data. Completely he works with the data. In data understanding. Data ni అర్థం చేసుకునే దాంట్లోనే వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. Okay. So I want to become a data analyst, sir. Like, yes, we understood what is the exactly data analyst, but my point is like, I want to become a data analyst. So if you want to become a data analyst, there are certain things that you need to know. There are certain modules you need to learn. So I will write here very clearly and I will explain you the why you need to learn the modules. So modules to learn for data analysis. Module to learn for data analysis. I will explain you very clearly. Come here. First, number one, to become a data analysis or data analyst, everyone should learn. Everyone, definitely they should learn Excel basics and Excel advanced. Excel basics and Excel advanced. Sir, why we have to learn Excel? See, whenever you are going to take a course, you need to understand why we are learning the module. మనం కోర్స్ తీసుకునే ముందే ఈ మాడ్యూల్ ఎందుకు నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం అనేది తెలియాలి. సో irrespective, without that, if you learn also, there will be no use. So data analyst should learn Excel. The question mark is why. Just now I told you one example. The DMart people will give the data to the data analyst, which means the client will give the data to the data analyst, and the data will come in the form of Excel. ఒకసారి క్లయింట్ డేటా ఇచ్చాడు అంటే ఆ డేటా ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో వస్తుంది. ఐ విల్ షో యూ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద సూపర్ మార్కెట్ డేటా. సో see, I am opening in front of you one of the supermarket data. See, if the client gives you the data, it will come in the form of Excel sheet. So that is why you need to have a very good understanding about the Excel, basic Excel as well as the advanced Excel. Basic Excel and advanced Excel. My another question for you is, Sir, okay, since the data comes in the form of Excel sheet, so we are learning Excel. That is very fine. That is very fine. Only Excel we have to learn? No. Every person should learn to become a data analyst. Every person should learn Tableau and Power BI. Every person should learn Tableau and Power BI. See, very simple. Most of the people will have this confusion here. See, for example, there is a person. You just observe here. I will tell you one best example. There is a person whose name is John. There is a person whose name is Peter. John is using, for example, John is using iPhone. Okay. Peter is using, suppose, some Android, some Samsung or anything. Let me write here, Samsung. Okay, Samsung. Using the iPhone, I can make a call. Using the iPhone, I can use camera. Using the iPhone, I can use internet. Using the Samsung also, I can make a call. I can use camera and I can use internet. But two different companies. Two different companies, two different features. Okay. In the same way, there is a tool called Tableau. There is a tool called Tableau, which was invented in the year 2003. Okay, invented in the year 2003 by the Salesforce with the support of Salesforce company. With the support of Salesforce company, they invented the Tableau. Next, Power BI in the year 2015, developed by the Microsoft. Developed by the Microsoft. Okay. Two different tools. Power BI developed by Salesforce, Power BI developed by Microsoft. Two different tools, but their agenda is same. Their agenda is same. Sir, what is their agenda? Both the tools is used to two different companies. I will do different companies develop chassis. That's it. But their agenda is same. They will convert the Excel data into visualizations. They will convert the Excel data into visualizations for better understanding purpose. Now I will ask you a question. Guys, in this Excel sheet, there is a column called region column. Can you see? There is a column called region column and we have a profit column. Region column is there and profit column is there. Now I am going to ask you, which region is having the highest profit? Can you tell me by looking into the data? Can you tell me? Is it possible? By having a look into the data, is it possible to find out which region is having the highest profit manually?
Not not possible, sir.
Not possible. This is a time taking. It takes a lot of time. First of all, it takes a lot of time. Okay. So what I will do, I will give this Excel data either to Tableau or either to Power BI, either to Tableau or either to Power BI. So we will get the visualizations. With the visualizations, we can understand the data very clearly. Now in front of you only, I will open Tableau. In front of you, in front of you only, I will open Tableau. Just give me a minute. I will open the Tableau software. The downloading part, installation part, everything we will learn in the main classes. Okay, everything I will teach in main classes. Here I'm just giving the demo, like what is the purpose. So now you come here. Now you come here. I just want to find out which region is having the highest profits. Simple. Which region is having the highest profits? See, within seconds I got the visualization. Within seconds I got the visualization. I can increase the size if I need. I will maintain in ascending order. If I need, I will get the different colors. If I need, I will get the names. If I can give the profit value. So a lot of things I can do. So using the visualization, we can understand the data much more better, much more better. So that's why we need to learn Tableau and Power BI. Tableau and Power BI. Not only that, Tableau, Power BI in the course, we are going to teach you completely end to end. We are going to teach you everything end to end. All the advanced level, basic concept, intermediate concepts, advanced concepts, every concept you are going to learn from the Tableau. Learn from the Tableau as well as Power BI also. Power BI also. Sir, Excel, Tableau, Power BI is enough for to become a data analyst? Do they are enough for sir to become a data analyst? No. Along with this, we need to learn SQL. Of course, SQL with DB connections. So completely, it comes under database. So database where the data will be stored, and using the SQL, we are going to communicate with the database. So 100% SQL we are going to learn in the course. Along with that, we need to learn Python basics. We need to learn Python intermediate. Okay. And we need to learn Python advanced, and also we need to learn Python production level. We need to learn production level along with the statistics. Along with the statistics. So a lot of students will have one confusion. Sir, I want to learn the data analysis, but I don't know, still in confusion. Still, I am in confusion, like why I need to learn complete Python, and also Python libraries, and also Python libraries along with the statistics. Why I need to learn the Python and statistics? Why? I will tell you one best example. See, now just observe here for a moment. Okay, come. For example, I am taking employee name, employee age, and employee salary. For example, employee name is John, Peter, Steve, Michael. Okay, age 22 years, 27 years, 32 years, 44 years. Salary $1,200, $1,400, $2,200. Now my question is, whatever the data that is present here, do the data is a good data or do the data is a bad data? Whatever the data that is available in front of you, do the data looks like good or do the data looks like bad?
Few missing cells, so we
Yes.
cannot give the complete info.
Yes, the data looks good only, but some data is missing. Some records are missing. For example, you go to Apollo Pharmacy, మీరు అపోలో ఫార్మసీకి వెళ్ళి మెడిసిన్ తీసుకునేటప్పుడు దే విల్ ఆస్క్ యువర్ మొబైల్ నెంబర్. మీరు మొబైల్ నెంబర్ ఇవ్వకపోతే మెడిసిన్ ఇస్తాడు, కానీ అక్కడ మాత్రం ఎంటీగా ఉంటుంది. పారాసిటమాల్ టాబ్లెట్ కలెక్టెడ్ ఇన్ ద టైమ్ at 7 o'clock, బట్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ద పేషెంట్ ఆర్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ద కస్టమర్ నాట్ గివెన్. ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎంటీ. సో the data is incomplete, which means దీన్ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే అన్క్లీన్డ్ డేటా అంటాం. Uncleaned data. So the data is not completely filled, right? So it is an uncleaned data. Now using the Python and statistics, we are going to clean the data. So now ఇక్కడ ఏ వాల్యూ నేను కనిపెట్టాలి. సో సార్ నా ఫేవరెట్ నెంబర్ 7, నేను అక్కడ 7 యాడ్ చేస్తానంటే అలా స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ ఒప్పుకోదు. సో యూజింగ్ ద పైథాన్ అండ్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్, we will clean the data, we will transform the data. కరెక్ట్గా అక్కడ ఏ వాల్యూ రావాలో స్టాటిస్టికల్ రూల్స్ ప్రకారం కనుక్కొని we are going to take that particular value and we are going to fill it there. For that purpose, we need to learn Python and statistics. Python for cleaning, for data cleaning. These are all the modules, guys. These are all the modules that you need to learn. Excel, Tableau, Power BI, SQL, complete Python along with the Python libraries as well as the statistics. So these modules will help you to become a data analyst. And I just want to tell you, sir, is there any applications on data analysis? First of all, sir, is there any applications? అసలు ఏమైనా సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఈ డేటా అనాలిసిస్, డేటా అనలిస్ట్ చేసిన సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ అసలు ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? ఎనీ ఐడియా గైస్? క్యాన్ ఎనీవన్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఐడియా? Any idea like the applications maintained by the data analyst? Any one of you? I will name few here. Definitely I can name few things. Number one, I can write something like Amazon and Netflix. Okay, or I can write something like Flipkart. Sir, why? Let me open the Flipkart in front of you. Let me open the Flipkart in front of you. Guys, if I am keep on searching for electronical devices, in the search option, if I keep on searching for the electronical device, అంటే నేను ప్రతిసారి ల్యాప్టాప్స్, మొబైల్స్, హెడ్సెట్, గ్యాడ్జెట్స్ ఇలాంటివి సెర్చ్ చేస్తే I will get the complete recommendations on gadgets only. Am I right? Yes or no? Did you face this one? For example, you go to the YouTube. In the YouTube also, if you are searching for melody songs continuously, means every time you will get the melody songs only. And if you are searching for some movie, action movie, means all the action movies will be recommended for you. Did you face this issue anytime, students? Did you face this issue?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that recommendation systems will be developed by the data analyst. Whatever you are doing in the internet, everything will be recorded by the data analyst. He can understand your moves, he can understand what you are using, and he will recommend for you. సపోజ్ మీరు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ఫీడ్ అదే రీల్స్ చూసేటప్పుడు మీరు ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ రీల్స్ చూస్తున్నారని తెలిసి అలాంటి రీల్సే పంపిస్తారు. దట్ ఈస్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద డేటా అనలిస్ట్. సో గైస్, ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ఫైన్ సార్. నౌ what are the roles that I will be eligible if I take the course? If I take the course, roles for the course, like, so okay sir, I completed the course, so what are the roles that I can expect? See, you can become a junior data analyst. You can become a junior data analyst. You can become a Power BI developer in India. Power BI developer in India. And also you can become as a Python developer, because you are going to learn everything in Python developer and database. We can say database administrator. Database administrator. So the people who are learning the data analyst course in the Vihara Tech, they will be getting all these modules from the basic till the end, everything. And these are the roles you will be eligible. You will be eligible for the following roles. And okay, sir, like what was the salary package that we can expect? What was the salary packages that we can expect in the data analyst field? In the data analyst field, I will write here very clear and I will show you. I'm not just going to write the numbers here. I will show you perfectly. Salary packages for the data analyst. For the fresher, you can expect. For the fresher, definitely you can expect around 6 LPA to 8 LPA. And sir, I have some gap. Now, koncham gap undi. I just want to add 2+ years. I just want to add 2 years experience, means you can expect around 8 LPA to 12 LPA. 8 LPA to 12 LPA if you want to go with experience. So for the fresher, 6 to 8 LPA, and for the experienced person, you can expect 8 LPA to 12 LPA. I'll show you. I'm just not going to write the numbers. I will open Wellsfound jobs. The Wellsfound, which is one of the fantastic one, where a lot of jobs on the data related field, data analyst, data science will be available. So I'm going to note down here. I am want to data analyst. I'm looking for data analyst. Only I'm searching only in Bangalore and Hyderabad, which is very, very comfortable for me. So fresher job data analyst 15 lakhs to 22 lakhs. Come back. Already one job is available there. Okay, one job is already available. So if you data analyst again 7 lakhs to 14 lakhs. Product analyst is nothing but data analyst only, close to. Okay. So Power BI developer, you can see 10 lakhs to 30 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs to 30 lakhs. So I hope the numbers are matching with what I have written. Numbers are matching with what I have written. So this is completely about the data analyst. Data analyst will work on the visualizations in a single line. Visualizations. Suppose you pick any visualization. Sir, I will pick the pie chart. You could show and the pie chart is there. Sir, I want only the information what I need. I don't want all the information. I want the information only what I need. Miracles you can do with the help of Tableau and Power BI. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Suppose, sir, I don't want accessories, I don't want art, I don't want chair, I don't want envelopes, labels, storages, and tables. See, whatever I want, only those things will be collected from the visualization. So, like this, lot of information the data analyst will find from the data. Guys, all understood now? What is the meaning of data analyst? What he need to learn, the roles and the packages and all. Students, all of you got a good idea about the data analyst.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I just want to go and I want to explain you completely about what is the data science and Gen AI. What is data science and Gen AI?
Excuse me.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes, please.
so I have one question here.
Yes, please.
So, as you said, for freshers and for experience, this is a package. How can I expect the growth factor? Like, every day the technology is changing, new
Yes,
tools are getting added. So, how can we expect the growth if we join as a data
yes,
analyst? What will be the next levels?
yes. Very good question. Let's say, for example, as a fresher, you got a job in the Java, for example, for some full stack Java or anything. As a fresher, you got job as a Java developer. Suppose your salary is 30,000 per month in hand after cutting all things, you are getting 30,000. If you work on the Java for 2 years, okay, you will be getting around 10% to 15% hike, which means the 30 will go to 35 or 38 mostly. 10 to 15% hike will come, not more than that. Let's take the same thing as a fresher. As a fresher, if you worked as a data analyst for initially 6 lakhs package means worst case 6 lakhs will come, and 6 lakhs package means definitely you will be getting around 48,000 to 50,000. So this is your actual salary. Now you worked as a data analyst for 2 years. Okay, 2 years, and whenever you want to shift to other company, the growth will be almost close to 45% hike will come for the data analyst. For the data analyst, 45% hike you can expect, almost half of the package. Understood? So in the real world, the data is increasing. The data will not reduce because the industries are increasing and everyone is started depending on the internet, depending on the AI. So continuously the data will increase, and the finding the patterns in the data daily it will increase, but nowhere it will be reduced. So for that purpose, from the 2012 till the 2025, if we see what is the growth factor of data analyst, so how it is growing day to day, because the increase in the demand for the data. Understood?
Yeah. So, if I join as a junior data analyst, what will be my next level like after 1 or 2 years?
Yeah,
Uh,
definitely for 1 year, we can't expect a lot. But if you work for 2 years, definitely, if you are working for 6 LPA, after 2 years, you can expect around 9 to 10 LPA. And if along with that, if you add any additional things, any certifications or growth in your domain only, like data engineering, like Hadoop or anything, it makes more increase in the package. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you.
So this is completely data analysis. Then what about the data science with Gen AI? Now this is very, very important. I know most of the students are waiting for data science with Gen AI. I will explain you very clearly what models to learn for data science with Gen AI. Okay. So come back here, guys. Data analyst means we are going to work on the visualizations. That is very good. Then what about the data science? Then what about data science? Data science in the sense we need to tell them data science with Gen AI. This is the course name. So I'm asking what is data science? మెనీ పీపుల్ విల్ హ్యావ్ దిస్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. సార్ డేటా అనాలిసిస్ అంటే ఏంటి, అసలు డేటా సైన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, అసలు ఏఐ అంటే ఏంటి, కొత్తగా ఇప్పుడు జెన్ ఏఐ అంటున్నారు, జెన్ ఏఐ అంటే ఏంటి? గైస్, ఎనీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఆర్ డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫోర్? ఎనీవన్? Do anyone has any confusion in this four? Now we understood, like analysis means okay, visualizations we understood, but difference between all this ఎవరికైనా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉందా? అసలు అర్థం కాకుండా ఏంటి అసలు ఇవన్నీ అని? ఎస్, ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ ద ఆన్సర్స్. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ వెరీ క్లియర్లీ. సి, బట్ జస్ట్ ఫోకస్ ఓన్లీ హియర్, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఎ వెరీ గుడ్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఇన్ దిస్ డెమో. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ వెరీ క్లియర్లీ. So very simple. In the entire world, the data has been divided into 3 different parts. అంటే వరల్డ్ లో డేటా అని 3 టైప్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేశారు. ఓకే, ద డేటా ఇన్ ద ఎంటైర్ వరల్డ్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ 3 different parts. ఓకే, సో one is structured data. One is structured data. Second one is unstructured data. Third one is semi-structured data. So data has been categorized into 3 different parts. 3 types ga divide chesaru. Structured data means nothing but Excel sheet. Okay, structured data is nothing but Excel sheet. Unstructured data means nothing but images and videos. Semi-structured data means text or speech. Okay, Excel sheet and structured data, image video and unstructured data. Semi-structured data means text or speech. Now I will tell you very clearly. If there is any person using the Excel sheet, if he is creating the reports, we call them as data analyst, which means ఎవరైతే ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ డేటాతో విజువలైజేషన్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళని డేటా అనలిస్ట్ అంటారు. Data analyst means Excel sheet data. Only they will work with Excel sheet data. Remember, data analysts will work only with the Excel sheet data. They will convert the data into visualizations. If there is any person using the Excel sheet, if he is making the prediction, which means ఎవరైతే ఒక ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ డేటాలో నుంచి విజువలైజేషన్స్ కాదు ప్రిడిక్షన్ చేస్తారో, it's not about visualization, it's about prediction. That is what data science. I will ask you one question. In the starting of the section, I told you one example. How many branches we collected, guys, for the DMart? Telangana branch, Andhra branch, Karnataka branch, Goa branch. Out of 4 branches, which branch is not doing well? గోవా. అంటే మనకి రిమైనింగ్ తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్, కర్ణాటక బ్రాంచెస్ ఇస్ డూయింగ్ గుడ్, గోవా ఇస్ డూయింగ్ బ్యాడ్. అంటే ఒక డేటా అనలిస్ట్ ఎలా ఉందా అని చెక్ చేశాడు అంతే. యు గాట్ మై పాయింట్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ గోవా? తెలంగాణ బాగానే ఉందా, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ బాగానే ఉందా, కర్ణాటక బాగానే ఉందా, గోవా ఎలా ఉంది అని చెక్ చేశాడు అంతే. దిస్ ఇస్ డేటా అనలిస్ట్. హీ విల్ జస్ట్ క్రియేట్ ద రిపోర్ట్స్, దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే, what about data science with generative AI people? Doesn't matter whether it is doing good or not. In the 2035, what will be the position of Goa? What will be the position of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka? I mean, he will do the prediction, future chustadu. 2045 lo, what is the position of the Goa branch? Yes, the data science people can do it with the help of prediction. So, data science means completely prediction, remember. So data science means Excel sheet data making the prediction using, sir, Excel sheet data ni ela predict chestaru? Using the machine learning. Remember, Using the machine. Most of the people, they join the course, but they don't know what is machine learning. Machine learning means taking the Excel sheet data and making the predictions. Predictions means watching the future, watching the future. And I will write here very clearly, sir, I want to become a data science with generative AI engineer, which is a trending one in the market. What I have to learn? Data science with generative AI people, they should learn Python and statistics common. They should learn Python and statistics, which is very, very common. And they need to learn machine learning. Sir, why we need to learn machine learning? To predict Excel sheet data. Excel sheet data, they need to learn machine learning. Sir, any application? Machine learning మీద ఏమైనా applications ఉన్నాయా అసలు? I will come here and I will show you all the proof. Okay. How many of you will agree with me, guys? Tell me, how many of you will agree with me that that uh the good mails will come into the inbox and the bad mails will be in the spam folder. Am I right? Good box will come into the inbox and the bad things will be going into the spam. Am I right or wrong? So who is doing this difference? Who is doing this difference? Machine learning. Machine learning. Okay. So machine learning is the one which predicts everything. See, for example, let's say there is a person whose name is John. John is sending a mail to the Peter. జాన్ వాంట్ టు సెండ్ ఏ మెయిల్ టు ద పీటర్. జాన్ ఒక మెయిల్ పంపించాలి పీటర్ కి. డైరెక్ట్ గా మెయిల్ వెళ్ళదు. ద మెయిల్ ఫస్ట్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ టు ద మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్. మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ విల్ ప్రిడిక్ట్ అంటే ఇది గుడ్ మెయిలా బ్యాడ్ మెయిలా. ఇఫ్ ద మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ ఈస్ ప్రిడిక్టింగ్ యాజ్ గుడ్, ఇట్ విల్ బి ఇన్ ద ఇన్బాక్స్ ఆఫ్ ద పీటర్. ఇఫ్ ద మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ ఈస్ ప్రిడిక్టింగ్ యాజ్ bad, it will be in the spam folder. So machine learning will predict whether the mail is a good or bad. One of the best example till today Google company is using machine learning only. Machine learning, one of the best example I can write here. One of the best example is Gmail. Okay, come back here. Come back. So this is fine. I am learning the machine learning to predict the Excel sheet. And you need to learn deep learning. ML means machine learning, DL means deep learning. You need to learn OpenCV and you need to learn computer vision. You need to learn deep learning, OpenCV, computer vision. Sir, why sir? To predict the image and videos. To predict image and videos. Okay, come back here. I will show you the applications. Before that, every person for the data science with Gen AI, you need to learn deep learning, you need to learn OpenCV, and you need to learn computer vision. Sir, why sir? Sir, why guys? Why we need to learn the deep learning, OpenCV, and computer vision? Just now I told you to predict images and videos. Sir, any examples, any application examples here? Of course, I'll show you. Mainly the people who are using this social media, Instagram, Snapchat, they will get to know if I show you some few things here. Yeah, let me open this one. Guys, do anyone of you seen this one? Changing your face to 60 years old, 50 years old. Anyone have seen this one in the Snapchat or anywhere? In the filters. This is done by the deep learning. And if you're traveling without helmet or without seat belt, you will get the chalana. The number plate recognition, ANPR, automatic number plate recognition. That is also deep learning. Self-driving cars are deep learning. And if you see, if the LBW happened, DRS is because of the deep learning. Detection, segmentation, tracking, whatnot. Everything with the help of deep learning only. Changing the face of the ladies, deep fake. Okay, many things. Tracking, the traffic and FASTag mainly. మీరు వెళ్ళి కార్ ఆపంగానే FASTag గేట్ ఎత్తుతుందా? That is also completely deep learning. That is also completely deep learning. And to become a data science with Gen AI engineer, you need to learn deep learning. Sir, can you give me one best example? Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars. And also we can say face detections. Face detections. Sir, machine learning, deep learning is enough. No, come back here. And you need to also learn NLP. What is the meaning of NLP? Natural language processing. Natural language processing. You need to learn NLP. Why, sir? Why? To predict text and speech. To predict text and speech. I will tell you the examples. Come here. I will tell you the examples. So you need to learn NLP to predict text and speech. Sir, why, sir? Why? See, come here. I will go to the internet for a moment. I'll go to the internet. Guys, can you see here speaker symbol? Mic. I will use the mic. I will speak with the Google. Google will respond with me. Google will respond with me. See, show me the details of Bahubali movie. See, all the Bahubali movie details will come. All the Bahubali movie details will come. So whenever you speak with the Google, Google will understand. Google will understand and Google will reply back to you. I am telling you. Google will reply back to you. Understood? And also language changing. For example, English to Telugu, one of the fantastic software developed by the Google company for 7 years. If I write in Telugu, it will, if I write in English, it will translate in Telugu. See, my name is Kamal. Within nanoseconds, the language is changing. This is also done by the Google company for NLP. So, we need to learn Python, statistics. Why we need to learn machine learning? To predict the Excel sheet. Why we need to learn deep learning, OpenCV, computer vision? To predict the images and videos. Why we need to learn the NLP? Because to predict the text and speech data. Along with this, you need to learn, along with this, you need to learn Gen AI. You need to learn in the current scenario, everyone should learn Gen AI. Gen AI means generative AI. Gen AI and prompt engineering. Okay, prompt engineering. You need to learn both. I hope you already know. Sir, any examples for Gen AI? Okay, ChatGPT, I hope all of you know. And I hope you all of you know, like Google, Brad, Gemini, many things, many things. So come back here, guys. I will open one of the Gen AI. I will open Google Brad. For example, I will open the Google Brad. Okay. So now you come here, guys. I will tell you one thing, mainly for the freshers, Guys, you see, imagine there is a person whose name is Peter, who want to learn Java for 6 months. For 6 months in Amirpet. In Amirpet. Okay. And there is another person whose name is John, who want to learn data science with Gen AI. Gen AI for 6 months, say for 6 months in Vihara Tech. Who will get the job after 6 months? Definitely John only. Because Java చదివిన వాళ్ళకి జావా తప్ప ఏది రాదు. But if you learn the Gen AI, you can become generative AI as well as you are capable of developing Java. See here, just observe here. I will just write a single thing. I'll just write a single thing. I won't learn anything because I know Gen AI. So give me the HTML code for login page with great content. Simple. So instead of learning 6 months Java, చూడండి, complete code has been given to me. మొత్తం అదే ఇచ్చేసింది మై జెన్ AI. నౌ ఐ విల్ పేస్ట్ ఓవర్ హియర్. సి, మీ ముందే నేను కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేశాను. and immediately I'm saving them like a demo.html with inside in front of you only I copied. Now if I open that one, see, welcome back, signing accept. Web page came just within moment minutes. What I have done, I have written the prompt. I got a HTML code and I copied pasted and my website is ready. దీనికోసం ఎందుకు 6 months జావా నేర్చుకోవడం? Got my point? So the world is changing and everyone should also think in the same way. So to become Gen AI engineer, data science with Gen AI, Python, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and Gen AI. Along with that, okay, the people who are taking the data science with Gen AI course, they will be getting DevOps as free. AWS DevOps course will be free in the Vihara Tech if you are learning data science. Why? Because at the end of the day, we need to take the applications and we need to deploy in the cloud. For that purpose, we need DevOps knowledge. So AWS DevOps will be given as free. AWS DevOps has been given as free. And at the end of the course, you will be learning all this. At the end, అన్ని అయిపోయిన తర్వాత, at last, the data science people will learn these modules: Excel, Tableau, Power BI, SQL. So these are the modules that you need to learn to become a data science with Gen AI. Now, the final part, as I promised, I will tell you the difference. See, data analysis అంటే ఓన్లీ ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ డేటాతో రిపోర్ట్స్ విజువలైజేషన్ చేసేవాళ్ళు. డేటా సైన్స్ మీన్స్ అదే ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ డేటాని వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేసేవాళ్ళు యూజింగ్ ద మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్. And I told you deep learning, OpenCV, computer vision is nothing but image, video, we are going to predict. Okay. Next, NLP means text ni, speech ni predict చేయడం. Okay. Clear no? Gen AI prompt engineering అంటే ఏంటి? Text ni generate చేయడం. Not predicting, generating. Predicting is different, generating is different. So ఎవరైతే ఇదొక్కటి నేర్చుకుంటారో they will become a data analyst. Data analyst. ఎవరైతే ఇదొక్కటే నేర్చుకుంటారో they will become data science. I mean data scientist అంటారు. But sir, what is AI? AI is nothing but the people who learns everything. ఎవరికైతే ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయో, that is what artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence అంటే కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ డేటా అనలిస్ట్, మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్, డీప్ లెర్నింగ్, ఎన్ఎల్పి, జెన్ ఏఐ, వీటన్నిటిని కలిపితే వాటిని ఏఐ అంటారు. సో యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ మీ, వాట్ ఈస్ ద కోర్స్ నేమ్? డేటా సైన్స్ విత్ జెన్ ఏఐ. సి, జెన్ ఏఐ. డేటా సైన్స్ అంటే యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లెర్న్ దిస్ పార్ట్, యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లెర్న్ జెన్ ఏఐ పార్ట్. AI means what? You are going to learn deep learning, NLP, analysis, everything. So data science with Gen AI people will be learning everything. That is nothing but artificial intelligence. Guys, all understood? Got a good idea? What is the difference between data analysis and also data science with Gen AI? What you have to learn and all? Students, got an idea? Clear idea? Yeah. So now let's come back here. Applications I already told you. మీరు లేచిన దగ్గర నుంచి చేసేదంతా ఏఐనే. ఇంకా ఫ్యూచర్లో 5 years తర్వాత జెన్ ఏఐ లేకపోతే కంపెనీస్ హైర్ కూడా చేసుకోవు. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంపాక్ట్ క్రియేటింగ్ బై ద జనరేటివ్ ఏఐ. Sir, what are the roles that I will be eligible? Roles like if I learn the data science with Gen AI course, what are the roles that I will be eligible? Okay, so come, I will write the roles here. Number 1, you will be eligible for the Python developer. data science with Gen AI roles. DS. Okay, you will become a Python developer. You can become a data scientist. You can become a data scientist. You can become ML engineer. You can become DL engineer. You can become computer vision engineer. Computer vision engineer. You can become NLP engineer. Okay, you can become NLP engineer. You can become Gen AI engineer. And also you will be eligible for AI engineer. AI engineer, because you know everything, you will become an AI engineer. Okay, so these many roles, and also you will have a good idea like AI application developer కి కూడా eligible అవుతారు. Okay, so these are the roles. Then what about packages, sir? What about the package? Do the package will be same like analysis? No. Do the package will same like analysis? No. I will write here very clearly. Okay. Salary package for the data science people. I mean data science with Gen AI. Gen AI. Salary package. For a fresher, you can expect the salary from 10 LPA to 15 LPA. 10 LPA to 15 LPA. And if you have a gap and if you fill with some 2 years experience, you will be eligible with 15 LPA to 35 LPA. 35 LPA, data science with Gen AI. I'll show you. Where is this one come? So previously I am searching for data analyst, right? Previously I'm searching for data analyst. Now I will search for data. See, data scientist, one of the role. Data scientist is one of the roles. See, one of the role in the data science with Gen AI course now. So data scientist, Bangalore, Hyderabad. See, data scientist, you are getting 81,000 to 1 lakh per month. Calm down. This is data analyst. Data scientist, 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs, fresher job. Data scientist, Gen AI, 25 lakhs to 30 lakhs, fresher. This is for experienced people. ML engineer, you can say 17 lakhs to 35 lakhs. Data scientist, 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs. Data scientist, $17,000 to $100,000. Can see here how beauty the package are. Any experienced people. This are data scientist, fresher job, 10 lakhs to 25. Tiger Analytics is hiring for the one of the best company for the freshers, data scientist, 20 lakhs to 21. Here also 12 lakhs to 20. So just go through the packages, how much they are paid. So this is completely the data analysis, what you have to learn, and also package wise information. And the data science with Gen AI, what you have to learn, and roles as well as the package wise informations. Guys, all understood now till here very clearly? First about the modules and all. About the modules and all. Yeah. Now, okay, sir, I want to learn data analyst or I want to learn the data science. Very good. Anything is fine. It's completely your choice. And if you need any guidance, you can ask me. That also I will possible. But the only question for everyone will be having is, sir, we want to learn the course. Definitely, we are very much interested. But the point is like why we have to choose the Vihara Tech. The only question is why we have to choose the Vihara Tech. There are many tech platforms in the Hyderabad. Okay. So why we choose the Vihara Tech? See, the only advantage of Vihara Tech here and why we are having 85% of the success ratio is batch maintenance. Once a batch is allocated, suppose if the one batch is allocated, the batch will be having around 15 members to 20 members. We won't take more than that because every student should get the time to speak with the trainer to deal with the issues or to clear his doubts, everything. Okay. A perfect batch maintenance schedule will be given. అంటే ఒక బ్యాచ్ మాకు మేము వేసాము అంటే ఆ బ్యాచ్ లో ఏ మాడ్యూల్ we don't work as an other tech platforms. It's very, very clear. Let's say ఒక మాడ్యూల్ ఒక బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ క్యాన్ సీ హియర్ డేటా సైన్స్ బ్యాచ్ విచ్ ఇస్ షెడ్యూల్డ్ ఆన్ ద February and 10:45 to 12 o'clock batch. Immediately on the day one, what we will do? Module name Python. ఏ డేట్ కి స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి, ఏ డేట్ కి ఎండ్ అవ్వాలి, ఎగ్జామ్ ఏ డేట్ కు ఉంటుంది, దేని మీద ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుంది, మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఏ డేట్ నుంచి ఏ డేట్ కు ఉంటాయి ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్. for every student. And also machine learning, what is the starting date, what is the ending date, exam dates, 22 exams, again 2 mocks, all the detailed information will be given to the student along with our general manager signature, CEO signature, and me MD signatures. Okay, very planned and scheduled batch maintenance will be done. Either random ga batch padindi, we are taking the modules, no mocks, nothing. Okay, this will be not allowed in the Vihara Tech. This is one of the best thing where you can choose the Vihara Tech. And not only that, once the student is joining in the Vihara Tech, I will show you everything. Once a student joined in the data analysis or data science or Java or DevOps or anything, doesn't matter. What we will do is every 15 days, you will be having one exam. You will be having an exam and you will be having a mock interview. You will be having a mock, definitely. మీరు జాయిన్ అయ్యారు అంటే ఎవ్రీ 15 days కి ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాల్సిందే అండ్ యూ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ వన్ మాక్ అండ్ ఆల్సో యూ క్యాన్ సీ హియర్ ఒక స్టూడెంట్ యొక్క ఏదో మాక్ కూడా మాక్ ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటామో స్టూడెంట్కి ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఇవ్వడానికి, లైక్ ఎక్కడైనా మిస్టేక్ చేస్తున్నారు ఏంటని. సో ఇన్ డీటెయిల్డ్ రిపోర్ట్స్ విల్ బి గివెన్. కమ్యూనికేషన్ లో ఎలా ఉన్నారు, ఫస్ట్ మాక్ లో ఎలా ఉన్నారు, సెకండ్ మాక్ లో ఎలా ఉన్నారు, థర్డ్ మాక్ లో ఎలా ఉన్నారు, కమ్యూనికేషన్ డీటెయిల్స్, టెక్నికల్ డీటెయిల్స్, నాన్ టెక్నికల్ డీటెయిల్స్, ఓవరాల్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ట్రైనర్. యూ క్యాన్ సీ 10 కి 9.3 వచ్చింది. సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ వీ హ్యావ్. సో mock interviews and exams will be conducted for every 15 days. I will show you. Just come here, for example. You just come here. I will go to the send option. Can you see 2:56? The time is 2:56 before the demo section, I think. Uh, Tably feedback from your mock interview for Yamini student. So we have done the mock interview yesterday, and we will be sharing the report to the student immediately within one day. The report will be gone to the student. Okay, so what was the communication details, technical details, non-technical details, and what is the feedback finally given by the trainers for every student. Okay, student and మీరు, for example Shiva. So this is one of the person, like I think just now before the class I completed 1 hour ago. So mock interview details. Okay, so communication లో ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలా, కొంచెం కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉండాలా, నర్వస్ గా ఉన్నారా, ఇవన్నీ డీటెయిల్స్ పంపిస్తే నెక్స్ట్ టైం what happens, they will improve. Mock to mock, they will be improving themselves. So every student will attend for the mock interviews and also exams. Once every 15 days exam rastar, we will be sending the result. So batch execution, the student written the exam on April 29th, which means on yesterday. So Python exam raser, they have written the Python exam and they will be getting the answers. Okay, they will be sending the results వాళ్ళకి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. You can see all are scheduled for every student, and that is why we are telling you that perfect batch maintenance along with the exams and mocks. And the one of the best part is we will be available 24/7, and we can proudly say we are the only edtech platform who gives the permission for the student to send the messages in the groups at any time. No restrictions, nothing. So any student, for example, the people who are enrolling for the courses, they will be available in the batches. So what we will do here, let's say, see all the students, we will be giving all the details, and any student got any doubts or anything, they will be immediately responding in the groups. All the details will be discussed in the groups, and all the people will be having the permissions. And also every batch, you can see we will be having around 23, means almost 4 to 5 people, our teammates only, I mean our company people, and remaining all are the students. And you will be having maximum 15 to 20 students per batch. And not only that, any 24/7 we will be available. Any doubts, you can go, you will get directly, you can call, you can connect with any. And why to choose the Vihara Tech is because of the placement policy. So before going to explain the placement policy, I will tell you the time durations. See, data analysis course, data science with the Gen AI. Okay, Gen AI course. Data analysis course will be 3 months, Amma. 3 months and 2 months internship, total 5 months. 3 months course and 2 months internship. Data science course, 6 months. 6 months. So 4 months, first 4 months will be the course. First 4 months will be the course. Last 2 months, you will be having course plus internship. Course plus internship. Okay, total 6 months. This is 5 months and this is total 6 months. Okay, and Miko, as mentioned, mottam every 15 days ki I have shown you the proof also. So exams mocks compulsory ga unte, well scheduled batch, everything perfectly from our end. And not only that, why to choose the Vihara Tech is like we have our own placement policy. So the agenda of the Vihara Tech, see who is Vihara Tech? Like it's a mediator. Like the student will come to the Vihara Tech. Here we will train, we will modify them, we will make him perfect, and we need to place him in one of the company. One of the company. It might be any course. Okay, it might be any course. So we need to place. So what is our placement policy? What is our placement policy? So I hope I will explain in detail everything, guys. So please listen very carefully. So placement policy of the Vihara Tech. First, guidance. Anything, any doubts, anything you have, I will be available here from evening 6 o'clock. Physically will be available. In the calls, we will be available till night 11 o'clock. So we will be giving the guidance at any point of time. At any point, like you need anything, definitely our team will be available. And let's say training. Coming to the training part, guys, we have both online classes and offline classes. Online and offline. Okay. For example, offline people, they can come to the class. They can sit in the class how the people are sitting and they will be attending the class common. Okay. Online people, they will attend in the online just now how you are attending. మీరు ఎలా అటెండ్ అవుతున్నారో ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ అలానే మీరు క్లాస్ టైంలో కూడా అటెండ్ అవుతారు అండ్ ఆల్ ద డీటెయిల్స్ విల్ బి సెండ్ ఇన్ ద గ్రూప్. For example, see March 15th, I mean last month batch, 10:45 batch, which we have given. So you see here, morning 10:45, morning 10:45 class. Every day we will share you the Zoom link. There is no need to worry. We have a dedicated team for that. So a Zoom link will come. We will attend the meet. Class అయిపోయింది అనగానే within 1 hour you can see the class completes at 12 o'clock and you got the recording at 12:23. 12:23. So within 30 minutes you got the recording. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే once you open the link, you will be having all the PPTs, all the class PPTs. Okay, ప్రతి క్లాస్ PPT ఉంటుందమ్మా. All the class PPTs from our institute as well as the recording, every class recording. Today date is what, April 30, see 30th class recording. Everything, drive access will be given and materials will be given lifetime. That's your wish. Okay, so daily the links will come. Daily the class links will come and you will attend in online and you will be having all the facilities. Saying that offline, online and also recording sections materials will be given for you. And not only that, guys, if you have the support, let's say any doubts like in the office, for example, if you're attending in online and suddenly if you want to come to offline and meet me or the mentor or anyone, definitely you can come and you can help. We will be helping it out. Any doubts related to AI, so in the course analysis or science, we will be helping you. And not only that, guys, let's say we have the mentors, like not only the trainers, we have the mentors also. Like the mentors వాళ్ళు కూడా మీకు ఎటువంటి డౌట్ ఉన్నా మీరు mentors ని కూడా అడిగి మొత్తం క్లియర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Like whatever you have, everything you will be getting it out. And not only that, we also have one thing that I just want to mention here is former employee. Let's say every month మా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ లో నేర్చుకొని ప్లేస్ అయిపోయిన స్టూడెంట్స్, ఒక 6 months 1 year ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వచ్చిన క్యాండిడేట్స్ ని ఎవ్రీ మంత్ ఆన్ సండే we will be calling to the office virtually or physically. We will be calling and we will be telling them like మీ వాళ్ళ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ షేర్ చేసుకోమని కూడా చెప్తాం మీతో. లైక్ వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ చదువుకుని వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత కంపెనీలో ఎలా ఉన్నారు, ఎలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్స్ వాళ్ళు ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో దట్ మేక్స్ యూ a good idea like how to prepare even more betterly. And also workshop. So we will be having the workshops every week, guys. There is a company called Skill Union, which is also that Adigoda Ma company, the Skill Union. This is not an institute. This is completely workshop related thing, 24/7. See, we have our own job, exam portal. సో విహార టెక్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ దేర్ ఓన్ ఎగ్జామ్ పోర్టల్. సో మీకు దీంట్లో క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్స్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీకు పోర్టల్లో ఉంటాయి. ఆ యాక్సెస్ కూడా మీకు వస్తుంది అనమాట. సో యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. అంటే మీరు ఎంత స్కిల్ వచ్చింది, ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ వచ్చినాయి, ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే. అండ్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి కూడా మీకు కంపెనీ సైడ్ చేసుకునే ఛాన్సెస్ చాలా చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఉంటాయి. యు గాట్ మై పాయింట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ హౌ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లెర్న్ హియర్. దట్ ఈస్ హౌ లైక్ వర్క్షాప్స్ అనేవి కండక్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. నాట్ ఓన్లీ వర్క్షాప్ గైస్, లైక్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ వర్క్షాప్, వన్స్ ద కోర్స్ ఇస్ కంప్లీటెడ్, ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ లైక్ సార్ నాకు ఇంగ్లీష్ కొంచెం బాగా రావట్లేదు ఇన్ ద మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ, కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది, ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ తెలుగు మీడియం బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఆర్ హాఫ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ హాఫ్ తెలుగు బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్. సో వీ విల్ బి హెల్పింగ్ యూ ఇన్ ద స్కిల్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్, సాఫ్ట్ స్కిల్స్. That is also our institute only. So we have multiple institutes, not only Vihara Tech. For the workshop purpose, we have Skill Union, and for the soft skills, we have Direct English. Okay, we have an edtech platform called Direct English. So మీకు ఏంటంటే సాఫ్ట్ స్కిల్స్ ట్రైనింగ్ కావాలన్న వాళ్ళకి we will be having the workshop. All these are ours only. So where the names are different but comes under our companies only. సో మీకు స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ కూడా నేర్చుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. మీకు స్కిల్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఇబ్బందిగా ఉందంటే అవి కూడా ఇక్కడ నేర్చుకుంటారు అనమాట. ఆల్ ప్యాకేజ్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ ఫీజ్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఓకే, అన్ని ఒకటే ప్యాకేజ్లో మీకు అన్ని వచ్చేస్తాయి. అండ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ దట్, ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద కోర్స్ యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ ద సర్టిఫికేట్. Once you complete the course and internship, if you complete, you will be getting the certificate. Certificate you will get from the Vihara Tech. Certificate you will be get from the IBM, and also certificate you will be getting from the NASCAM. Let's say Vihara Tech course అయిపోయినప్పుడు మీకు సర్టిఫికేట్ వస్తుంది. బట్ IBM and NASCAM certificate, if you want, you need to write exam which is for free. So ఫ్రీగా ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తాము. And if you clear the exam, you will be getting the IBM certificate and NASCAM certificate. And the exam will be free only. And once you get the certificate, guys, like once you get the certificate, what you can do is, once you get the certificate, you can verify. Let's say, I will open the Vihara Tech website. మీకు సర్టిఫికేట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఎవరైనా మీకు మెయిన్లీ ఫ్రెషర్స్, the companies will ask you, do the certificate is genuine? Do the certificate which you are submitting is genuine? So you can go to the website, Vihara Tech website. In the website, you can see find certificate, and you can give your certification ID number. Your certificate will be generated. So all these possibilities is also available, like verification is also available in the Vihara Tech certificate. And not only that, once you complete the course, once you complete the internship, you will be having our placement room and placement officer, which is Amruta, our placement officer, and Ashwak, who is one of the best person over the placement officer. So they continuously helping you on the resume building sections, and also they will be scheduling the interviews with the HRs. So doing all these things, like just imagine, like మీరు కోర్స్లో ఎంత ఎగ్జామ్స్ మార్క్స్ అటెండ్ అవి పర్ఫెక్ట్ అవుతూ అన్ని వర్క్షాప్స్ నేర్చుకుంటూ సాఫ్ట్ స్కిల్స్ ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకుంటూ రెజ్యూమ్ బిల్డింగ్ చేయడం, అండ్ ఆల్సో సర్టిఫికేషన్ వెరిఫికేషన్స్ విల్ బి హ్యాపెన్స్ హియర్. All this we are giving. And sir, how you are going to schedule the interviews? How well you are going to schedule the interviews? I will tell you here very clearly. Very clearly. Let's say point number 1, drives. Okay, on campus, off campus drives will be available. On campus, off campus drives. So whatever the HRs that we have tied up with, whatever the companies that we have tied up with, like Pragadas Technologies, Conio.ai, Zen Tech, Atai, Zest IoT, People Tech, etc. Like many companies are there, mainly mid-level startup companies and MNC companies, where we are going to conduct drives. It might be on campus or off campus. On campus means you need to come to the institute and you need to attend the interviews. Off campus means you need to go to the company. We will be giving the HR details, and you need to connect with the HR, and you need to go to that particular location for the interviews. So you will be getting the interview schedule, and you need to attend the interview, and you need to clear the interview. And you will be having the assistance 24 by 7. Don't think only for 6 months, only for 1 year, not like that. So continuously, whenever we have the drives, every month at least one drive or two drives will be happen every 30 days. You need to attend the drive. If we schedule 20 interviews, if we schedule 20 interviews, you need to attend all 20. If you attend all 20, at least 5 to 6 offers will be in the hand. At least 5 to 6 offers will be in the hand. So all the 20 interviews you need to attend. Okay. And not only that, not only drives, previously placed students, previously placed students, like ఎవరైతే ఇంతకుముందు చదువుకొని ప్లేస్ అయ్యారో, ఐ హోప్ లైక్ మీరు ఇక్కడ అటెండ్ అయ్యే ముందు చాలా దగ్గర అటెండ్ అయ్యే ఉంటారు డెమోస్, ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ రాంగ్. లెట్స్ సే చాలా మంది we placed these many people, they will tell the number. So but I am going to show you their profiles directly to be very genuine. So let's say you have the placement option in the Vihara Tech website. Go to the placement option and you can see I am not only giving you the photo, or I am not only giving you the name. I am directly giving you the LinkedIn profile of the student. వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఇక్కడ నేర్చుకొని ప్లేస్ అయిన వాళ్ళే. ఈవెన్ భవానీ, బట్ షీ వాస్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ యుఎస్. అండ్ మణిక్ కుమార్, ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ this person Vishwateja, Jagadish, all students, all these students learned in the Vihara Tech and placed from here only. There are many students. I am opening only few. You can scroll down, you can see many people, and you can get their profiles also. సో మీరు వాళ్ళలో ఎవరికైనా కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఓపెన్ దట్ ప్రొఫైల్ అండ్ కనెక్ట్ విత్ దెమ్. ఓకే, వాళ్ళ కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ సీ దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ పర్సన్ హూస్ నేమ్ ఇస్ సందీప్, వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫెంటాస్టిక్ పర్సన్. తనకి గ్యాప్ ఉండే కొంచెం ఫిల్ చేసుకున్నాడు, 2 years ఫేక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ సంథింగ్. కాంటాక్ట్ ఇన్ఫో, జస్ట్ కనెక్ట్ విత్ హిమ్. సో దానికి కాల్ చేయండి, నెంబర్ ఉంది, అన్ని ఉన్నాయి. జస్ట్ కాల్ హిమ్ అండ్ ఆస్క్ హిమ్ ఆర్ పింగ్ ఏ మెసేజ్ ఇన్ ద లింక్డ్ ఇన్. సో హౌ ద ట్రైనింగ్, అసలు ట్రైనింగ్ లెవెల్లో ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఎన్ని ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇంటర్న్షిప్ లో అసలు ఏం చేస్తారు ఇక్కడ, అది ఎంత రియల్ వరల్డ్ యూస్ కేసెస్ చేస్తారు, అండ్ దెన్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ డ్రైవ్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి. సో హీ విల్ బి హెల్పింగ్ యూ అవుట్. He will tell you exactly what we will be doing. You can connect with her, and you just see here for Mani Kumar. He is also learned in the Vihara Tech, like he is now currently working in AMD. So many students are there who got placed from the Vihara Tech. So all the details directly we have given in the site itself. So we are going to take the references, not only on campus drives or not only off campus drives. We are also going to take the references from the previously placed students. That will definitely helps you a lot. And not only that, Vihara Tech is having their own job portal. We are having our own job portal. So we won't completely depends on the Naukri or Indeed, and we won't waste the student time first. So Vihara Tech is having our own job portal. So where all the job details, you can see job openings, all the recent jobs will be added here by our technical team. All the recent jobs will be added here. So any jobs you need, the jobs will be also available here. For example, let's say I want to work on the Power BI. I want to work on the Power BI. Okay. Search the job. See, Power BI developer. See, 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs. So, ila chala jobs ఉంటాయి. In our side, we have our own job portal. So, ఇక్కడ నుంచి కూడా మీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ అనేవి షెడ్యూల్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. So, the only agenda of the Vihara Tech company is to train the student, convert the student from 0 to like 100% perfect person in the course what he have done, and getting placed in any one of the company. So we only request every student is take the course whatever you need, and you need to do the work from your end. You understood now, guys? Like what all of you have to done, like what data analysis, what data science, like why to choose our institute, and what services we are providing for you, and also I just want to mention one thing. We have the biggest lab in the KPHP. Like the people who are coming for offline, definitely you can use our services. Like we will be having the, I will show you labs 24 by 7. The mentors will be available, where we have the biggest lab in the Kukatpalli, in Kukatpalli institutes. Like all the students will come, they will sit and they will work, they can do everything in the office itself. Okay. So this is completely what we are going to provide if you join the course from the day one. Now students, like I will be available for the doubt section now. If you have any doubts, definitely you can ask me. Definitely you can ask me. Students, any doubts you can ask me.
Yeah. So hello sir, this is Rupa. I'm 2010 pass out actually, but
Okay.
I've been working as a teacher, like in few schools, and my last working company is Byju's.
Right.
So in the Byju's, I've been working for 5 years. I used to work as a teacher, coding instructor, as well as a director teacher over there. So now when I'm teaching, I also teach data visualization there, but not at a deep level. I teach to the students who are aged below 15 years. To their level, I teach them. So do you think like a profession or a transition from teaching to a data analyst, will the companies accept such candidates?
There are two different things that we just need to keep in mind. Let's say whenever it comes to the data related field mainly, it doesn't matter from which background we came. The only I mean, if you go for example, if you ask me, sir, can I place in a Google? No, because Google will hide the tier 1 college people. So, and if you ask me like, can I place in Infosys? No, it is also not possible. Why? Because they won't allow the people who are having the such amount of them. But what my suggestion, like many people who are learning here also, mid-level companies and startup companies, because those companies are the one who are working on data. MNCs ఎక్కడ కూడా వర్క్ చేయట్లేదు డేటా మీద, డేటా సైన్స్ మీదనో ఏఐ మీదనో వర్క్ చేసేదంతా మిడ్ లెవెల్ కంపెనీస్, స్టార్టప్ కంపెనీసే. ఓకే. సో మనకి మిడ్ లెవెల్ కంపెనీస్ లైక్ టెన్సర్గో అని, అటై అనేసి వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ కంపెనీస్ వీ హ్యావ్. ఇలాంటి వాటిల్లో ఏంటంటే డజంట్ మ్యాటర్ అబౌట్ యువర్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఆర్ యువర్ కెరియర్ గ్యాప్. ఆర్ యూ కేపబుల్ ఆఫ్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ద డేటా? ఆర్ యూ కేపబుల్ ఆఫ్ డీలింగ్ ద డేటా? ఫైన్.
Okay.
సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఐ కెన్ సే.
Okay. So will the salary also will be the same? They will consider me as a fresher, or as I although I have an experience in teaching data visualization, they
No.
consider me as experienced.
No, they won't consider you as an experience. But what we have to do is to get placed very easily. We are providing 2 months internship. Like what we do is in the internship, for a gap people, ఎవరికైతే గ్యాప్ ఉందో, so for them what we do is we will be keeping advanced level projects. We won't work with the projects which are in the internet. First of all, we will be working with the projects on the use cases currently which is going on in our company. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే అలాంటి ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, కొంచెం గట్టిగా ఉండే ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, హై లెవెల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, we will be working around 4 to 5, and we will be keeping some client claims, and we will be giving you 2 years or 1.5 years internship experience. సో అలా పెట్టేసుకొని వెళ్తే మనకి చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది.
So as you said, like మీరు చెప్పినట్టు internship experience అంటారు, but you said like when you complete data analyst certification, you provide us the certificate. అందులో డేట్ మెన్షన్ ఉంటుంది కదా సార్, లైక్
అది
ఎగ్జాంపుల్
ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వాళ్ళకి బ్యాక్ డేట్ వేసి ఇస్తాను. అంటే ఇప్పుడు గ్యాప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఏం చేస్తాం, తప్పదు కదా.
రైట్.
సో బ్యాక్ డేట్.
ఓకే.
Remaining students, any doubts you can ask me. Then Sandeep or Mahesh, Sai, Rekha, Rani, Praveen, Pallavi, or Balvaskar, or Krishna Kath. Any doubts, Amma? All clear? You understood clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. Our team will be connecting with you definitely. The people who are interested, ఎవరికైతే data analysis and data science with Gen AI, those who want to learn perfectly first and then get placed, our team will be connecting with you.
One more thing, sir. Like, is it a live class or is it a recorded sessions?
No, no, live class.
Live classes. Okay.
Live class.
Okay. Right. Because earlier I attended one demo. So after the demo, then they said like we will be providing the recorded sessions. You need to listen and come up with the doubts. So I
No,
got it
no,
out.
it's a live class. That's why I have shown, all the class links and all, live
Right.
class links and all.
So will you be the trainer, sir?
Yes, yes, I am the trainer for the batch, for this upcoming batch.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, sir.
Rani is asking me career gap ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ ఉండొచ్చు సార్. సి ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ అంటే ఒక 10-15 years ఉన్న పాయింట్ అది కన్సిడర్ చేయరు. మనకేంటంటే ఇప్పుడు 2025 కాబట్టి 2023 నుంచి 2025 వరకు ఏదైనా చేసినట్టు ఉండాలి గ్యాప్ ఉంటే. సో అందుకే మనం 1.5 years 2 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇస్తాము, ఇంటర్న్షిప్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. దానికి ముందు ఎంత ఉందనేది అనవసరం, కానీ లాస్ట్ 1.5-2 years మాత్రం ఉండకుండా చూసుకోవాలి. సో దానికి ఎవరికి ఎంత గ్యాప్ ఉన్నా మేమైతే అది ఇంటర్న్షిప్ లో కవర్ చేస్తాం అనమాట.
హలో
ఎస్ ఎస్ మహేష్.
సార్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్.
సార్, యాక్చువల్గా నేను టీసీఎస్ లో 3 years కంప్లీట్ అయింది సార్
ఓకే,
వర్క్ చేస్తే. ప్రజెంట్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత అంటే మనం ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తాం కదా, రియల్ టైమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్. అప్పుడు ఫ్రెషర్ గా జాయిన్ అవ్వాలా లేకపోతే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉందా సార్ అప్పుడు?
మీరు ఆల్రెడీ టీసీఎస్ లోనే చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి దేర్ ఆర్ 2 different things. ఇంటర్న్షిప్ లో మేము పిఎన్జి క్లయింట్ కి, జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ క్లయింట్ కి వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాం ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసెంట్. ఆ లెవెల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ మేము ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి మీతో చేపిస్తాం కాబట్టి, నేను టీసీఎస్ లో ప్రెసెంట్ చేసేదే ఈ డేటా సైన్స్ మీద అని చెప్పేసుకుంటే మీకున్న ప్యాకేజ్ కి చాలా ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది. లేదు సార్ నేను ఫ్రెషర్ గానే వెళ్తాను అంటే అవసరం లేదు. ఎందుకు ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏదో కొంచెం ఇంకొంచెం గట్టిగా నేర్చుకుంటే మనకు మంచి ప్యాకేజ్ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది కదా, మళ్ళీ దానికి ఫ్రెషర్గా వెళ్ళడం ఎందుకు?
ఎస్ సార్.
అది మేము చేస్తాం, డోంట్ వరీ. మేము ఏంటంటే కోర్స్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడే ఫస్ట్ డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని తీసుకుంటాము. వాళ్ళకి ఇంటర్న్షిప్ లో ఎవరికి గ్యాప్ ఉంది, ఎవరు ఎంప్లాయీస్, వీళ్ళకి ఎంత ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టాలంటే వీళ్ళని ఎలా ట్రైన్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్, ఇవన్నీ ఒక ప్రాపర్ స్ట్రక్చర్ మేము చూపించాను కదా. మేము ఎంత డీటెయిల్డ్ గా ఎగ్జామ్స్ కానీ మార్క్స్ కానీ పెడతాము, ఇవన్నీ రికార్డ్ చేసుకొని కండక్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఆల్ క్లియర్ నా స్టూడెంట్స్?
ఎస్ సార్. సార్, ఇది బ్యాచ్ ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు సార్ ఇది?
బ్యాచ్ 7th నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. అవర్ టీమ్ విల్ బి కనెక్టింగ్ విత్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, ద పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఫర్ ద డేటా అనాలిసిస్ ఆర్ డేటా సైన్స్ కోర్స్. ద పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ యూ క్యాన్ బుక్ ద స్లాట్ కన్ఫర్మేషన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఫ్రమ్ 7th విల్ స్టార్ట్ ద మెయిన్ క్లాసెస్ అన్నమాట.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
రాని ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉండాలా? ఎస్, ల్యాప్టాప్ కంపల్సరీ కదా. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ద మానిటర్ నో ప్రాబ్లం, బట్ ల్యాప్టాప్. Okay, guys, our team will be connecting with you. The people who are interested, like you can enroll for the course definitely, and we'll catch up in the main classes and we'll discuss everything from the basic to the advanced, everything from the scratch. Thank you. Thank you, first of all the students. Thank you for your time.